आमर ओडिया भाई करछन्ते गोटे नुआ रेस्टोरेंट आज ओपन करछन्ते आम सडनली एमती आसिलु माने नवा पई घर को टिफिन एटा कोन आज स्टार्ट कले केबे ओपन होबो
तो आम ब्रांड ना होची शाही स्वाद तो आम गुंजूर पालिया एलजी टावर रे अछु आमर 1 तारीख रु लॉन्च होची तो वी आर लाइव इन स्विगी एंड जोमेटो फ्रॉम 1st of April. So you can order online and you can visit our store
dinner
as well.
and lunch is also there.
Yes, dinner and lunch is
North
available.
Indian.
North Indian, Chinese. We
Chinese.
have bowl concept. We have North Indian tandoor biryani, all kind of biryanis we have.
Which date will be start?
It's from 1st of April.
Okay. So you guys can come to directly here from 1st April. You can see many different kind of menu details is there.
Yes.
So you can test. So we tested this one. So it is very yummy. Madam?
Yes, it's very good.
Very
taste,
good, eh?
Taste is very good.
And also our brother is very good and very friendly. And you can come and directly you can eat and taste.